Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Camp Beds is probably one of the most versatile pieces of gear you can own, whether you're an avid camper seeking a comfortable night under the stars, a festival-goer wanting a step up from the ground, or even just someone needing an extra bed for unexpected guests. A reliable camp bed can transform your sleeping experience from a potential ordeal into a genuinely restful one. We've scoured the market to find the top contenders that offer durability, comfort, and ease of use, ensuring you get a great night's sleep wherever you are. Number 5. Intex Raised Airbed Mattress with Built-in Pump. Enjoy a comfortable night's sleep wherever you are. This raised airbed is perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, offering convenience with its built-in pillow and pump. Say goodbye to sagging. Our air mattresses are engineered with enhanced stability to maintain their shape and support you all night long, ensuring you never lose comfort. Experience superior comfort and support thanks to thousands of high-strength polyester fibers. This advanced construction is designed to withstand significant weight and pressure without compromising stability. Setting up is a breeze with the powerful built-in electric pump. Inflate or deflate it in approximately 2 minutes for quick and easy use whenever you need it. Don't worry if you sense a slight pressure loss initially. The material is designed to stretch during the first few uses, which is normal. Simply re-inflate, and it will fully settle within a few nights. What we like. This one offers exceptional stability thanks to its unique construction and bottom ring design, preventing sagging. If you're looking for a reliable and comfortable elevated sleeping experience that mimics a real bed, this is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for guests who need a stable and supportive surface for a good night's sleep. What people say. The bed is very sturdy and comfortable, even for a larger person. It was easy to set up and take down, and it folds up compactly for storage. The mattress is thick enough to provide good support, and the frame is made of durable material. Number 4. Coleman Trailhead 2 Large Folding Cot. Introducing the Coleman Trailhead 2, a large folding cot designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. Its robust construction ensures reliable support for your outdoor adventures or guest accommodations. Setting up and taking down this cot is a breeze, saving you time and effort. You'll be relaxing in no time, whether you're at the campsite or hosting guests. Engineered with a strong crossbar steel frame, it confidently supports adults up to 300 pounds and a height of 6 feet 2 inches. Enjoy peace of mind with its durable design. Measuring 73 by 35 by 17 inches, it offers ample space for a comfortable night's sleep or a relaxing lounge. Experience elevated sleeping like never before. When it's time to pack up, it conveniently folds to fit into most car trunks. This makes it perfect for camping trips, travel, or simply storing away when not in use. Your purchase is backed by a 1-year limited warranty, giving you confidence in its quality and performance. Enjoy your new cot with complete peace of mind. What we like. This option boasts a robust steel frame capable of supporting up to 300 pounds and a generous height. If you need a no-fuss, durable sleeping solution that sets up and takes down in a flash, this is it. It's ideal for camping trips or as a temporary bed for taller individuals. What people say. The bed is very comfortable and easy to set up. It is sturdy and well-made, perfect for camping trips. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Number 3. EnerPlex Twin Camping Air Mattress. Camping season is here. This sleeping mat is the ideal solution for resting in nature or as an extra guest bed. Take it along on your next adventure. Stop wasting your breath on manual pumps. Our air mattresses feature a high-speed pump that inflates your bed in only 2 minutes. Get ready for camping fun right away. We know anything can happen outdoors. That's why this inflatable mattress is made with durable PVC and strong seams to withstand rough conditions. Don't leave comfort behind when you travel. This portable bed is perfect for taking with you wherever you go. Enjoy luxury on the move. Whether for camping or unexpected guests, this bed provides a comfortable place to sleep. Its built-in pump and durable design make it a reliable choice for any situation. What we like. Durability is key with this model, featuring puncture-resistant material and welded seams for rough outdoor conditions. If you're an adventurer who prioritizes a tough and reliable air mattress that inflates quickly and is easy to transport, this is the one for you. It's perfect for any camping trip where durability is a must. What people say. The bed is very comfortable and easy to set up. It is sturdy and well made, perfect for camping trips. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Number 2. Intex Queen Size Air Mattress with Headboard. Drift into a deep sleep on our ultra-plush, velvety surface. Its elevated design and sturdy construction provide exceptional comfort and support for a restful night. Engineered with unique high-strength fibers, this bed is designed to maintain its shape and provide reliable support. You can count on it to prevent sagging, night after night. Enjoy a truly restful sleep with superior lumbar support. The reinforced beams contour to your body, ensuring full support and a stable foundation for a peaceful slumber. Setting up is a breeze with the powerful built-in electric pump. It inflates in just over 2 minutes, and deflates just as easily for convenient storage and transport. This bed is built to last, resisting punctures and abrasions. It also includes a handy carry bag, making it perfect for camping trips or hosting guests. Initial use may require a slight reinflation as it settles. After a few nights, it will fully adapt to provide consistent comfort and support. What we like. Experience ultimate comfort with its 18-inch elevated height, built-in headboard, and excellent lumbar support for a truly restful sleep. If you desire a luxurious and supportive sleeping experience that feels like a permanent bed, this is your go-to. It's perfect for those who want maximum comfort and convenience at home or while camping. What people say. The bed is very comfortable and easy to set up. It is sturdy and can support a good amount of weight. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Number 1. Slsy Folding Camping Cot with Pad. Introducing the Slsy Folding Camping Cot, your perfect partner for any adventure. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just need an extra bed at home, this cot is designed for your comfort and convenience. Forget complicated assembly. This cot unfolds in seconds, making it incredibly easy to set up and take down. Its lightweight design ensures you can take it anywhere without hassle. Designed for life on the go, it folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. It's ideal for both outdoor excursions and indoor use when guests arrive. Enjoy a warmer, more comfortable sleep with the included soft, removable mat. It provides an extra layer of coziness for a restful night's sleep, wherever you are. Crafted with a robust square anti-rust steel frame and durable double-layer 1200D Oxford cloth, this cot is built for longevity. It offers exceptional stability and can support up to 900 pounds. Looking for a practical gift? This cot is an excellent choice for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's also great for a quick nap at the office. What we like. This cot stands out with its included soft, removable mattress pad and an impressive weight capacity of up to 900 pounds, thanks to its premium, durable Oxford cloth. If you're looking for a heavy-duty, comfortable, and easy-to-set-up sleeping solution that can handle significant weight, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for larger individuals or for situations where extreme durability is required. What people say. The bed is very comfortable and easy to set up. It is sturdy and well made, perfect for camping trips. The compact design makes it easy to transport and store. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.